Hi, welcome to lesson 12-4. Tonight we're going to be talking about the area of squares and rectangles. The area of an object is all the space that it covers. Look at right there that the paintbrush is covering the entire area of that rectangle. The equation for finding an area of a square or a rectangle is L times W. That means length times width. All right, let's take a look at this first square. It is 5 inches long, the length, and 5 inches wide, the width. In order to find the area, what you need to do is you need to multiply 5 times 5 equals 25. Don't forget to add the label. It's inches, and always when you find the area, it is squared. So inches squared. 25 inches squared is the area. Let's take a look at the next one. Here's a picture frame. The area remembers all the distance inside. 7 times 7 equals 49. You are not done there though. Remember, in order to find the area, you need to label it, so it would be 49 inches squared. There is the area for that picture frame. If there is a rectangle, you do the same exact thing. You take the length times the width. 10 times 8, you might be able to do that in your head, is 80 and feet squared. Let's take a look at our last example. This one now has decimals. It might be a little bit harder. 7.2 centimeters times 4.1 centimeters. Let's see. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 7 is 7. Remember, when you're multiplying decimals, you forget completely about the decimals until the very end. Now I'm going to move on to my tens place, so I add the 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. Now I add them up. 2, 5, 9, 2. Now what I need to go back is I need to look at how many places are behind the decimal. I see 1, 2 places behind the decimal. So in my answer, I need to have 1, 2 places behind the decimal, so my decimal would end up right here. My answer for the area inside this rectangle is 29 and 52 hundredths centimeters squared. If you ever see one on the MCAs or the MAP test and it looks like this, and you for a brief moment forget that the equation is length times width, because this one is all on a grid, you can simply count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The area would be 15. It doesn't tell me the label, so it would just be 15. If I would have used the equation, length times width, would you have gotten 15? Yes, you would have. Take out your notes, please. There are 2. The area is the amount of surface it covers. Remember that paintbrush. The area equation of a square or a rectangle is length times width equals the area. Hopefully this was a review for you from last year. I hope you have a great night, and I will talk to you tomorrow.